Hello, welcome to our channel. This was the this year question of IIT JAM 2020, and see here the major product form in the following reaction sequence is, see here, the ethyl magnesium bromide act as a nucleophile, and it can attack to this carbonyl center but not to that conjugated pi bond. And see here, after attacking, see here the complete mechanism, and here attacking this ethyl magnesium bromide, attacking to this carbonyl center, and this oxygen minus is further attacking to this CrO3, and here the 3,3 sigma-trophic reaction undergoes 3,3 sigma-trophic reaction, and then this hydrogen is extracted by this CrO bond and form this carbonyl compound, and this carbonyl group is undergo Wittig reaction and form this product B. Hence B is the right answer. And the major product form in the following reaction is here see, this is the generally this is the reaction from the Favorsky rearrangement. See here the OMe act as a base, and it can extract that acidic proton. So acidic proton extracted. See here the mechanism, acidic proton extracted by this OMe group, methoxide ion, and this negative charge, that negative charge extracted attack to this severe bond and form this cyclopropanone type product, and the rearrangement takes place from this product A, and this is the Favorsky rearrangement. And another question, that the rate of solvolysis of from 1 to IV. See the solvolysis order. So before going, we should know what is solvolysis. Solvolysis is the reaction in which the solvent acts as a reagent. And see here, generally in solvolysis the carbocation generation takes place. See here how the carbocation generating here is the complete mechanism. See here after carbocation generation, the bridgehead carbon getting the carbocation, and the cyclopentanone getting the carbocation, and here is the cyclopropanone getting the not cyclopropanone. Here this one getting carbocation, and this one getting carbon. We should know the carbocation stability, and carbocation stability. First, the aromatic will be more stabilized, then conjugated, or plus or minus R, then hyperconjugated. Carbocation will be more stable, then plus I and minus R, then anti-aromatic. See, this will be the aromatic one. This will be the rate of solvolysis for this third one will be the more, because it is aromatic. And see, in comparison, second one 1 and IV. See here, this second one will be the second one will be the more as compared to other three, because second one is conjugated. Second one is conjugated, and when you compare this first one and IV, see here, first one and IV, see here, the first one is bridgehead, and IV one is anti-aromatic. So anti-aromatic will be the, for the anti-aromatic, the rate of solvolysis will be very less as compared to that bridgehead. So order will be the rate solvolysis order will be third one, second one, first one, and IV. So option C will be the right answer. Here is the complete mechanism. and see the more stable species in each of the following conformer are. See here, as we compare, see here between one and second one. See here, and in case of one, there is one methyl group is at axial position. So here is 2,1,3 diaxial interaction takes place. So, but in case of 2, there is one bulky group is at axial position. So there is also there is 2,1,3 diaxial interaction takes place. And see here between 1 and 2, see here that bulky group has more steric interaction as compared to that methyl group. So in case first and second, first one will be more favorable conformation. And see between third one and IV, see here that in case of this third one, the methyl group, one methyl group is at axial position, and that tertiary butyl group is at equatorial position. And see that methyl group has 2,1,3 diaxial interaction, but in case of IV, see here that methyl group is at equatorial position, and that tertiary butyl group is at axial position. See here, for this tertiary butyl group there is no any butyl Gauge interaction. So IV is more favorable as compared to third one. And see here for the V and VI, see here in case of V there is OH minus, OH is at axial position, and this OH bond, here is a hydrogen bonding takes place between the lone pair of oxygen and that hydrogen bond. So due to hydrogen bonding, that V1 is more favorable as compared to that VY1. But in case of this VI1, that the OH minus is at equatorial position, so it cannot form hydrogen bonding. So V is the more favorable conformation. And see the major product form in the following reaction sequence is, see this one is McMurray reaction, and see this titanium chloride act as a electron donor, and it can donate electron to this carbonyl center, and it will go through by free radical mechanism. And see here the complete mechanism, and this electron donated by this titanium, and free radical generation takes place, and this titanium chloride O minus is that oxygen attack to this titanium chloride, and this free radical again this free radical attack to another carbonyl, and from this dimeric structure, and then rearrangement takes place, and from this alkene, transalkene, and again when hydrolysis takes place, this product will form. So option C is the right answer. Another for the Diels-Alder reaction from I to IV, the activation barrier follow the order. See here, the activation barrier means the activation energy required for the reaction. See here, this hydroquinone act as a dienophile, and that furan, thiopine, pyrrole, and cyclopentadiene act as a diene, and here undergo pericyclic reaction takes place, and see here that in case of this cyclopentadiene there will be the less activation energy required, and so first one will be the last in the sequence. First one will be come in last, and we should now we'll compare third one, second one, third one, and IV. See here the resonance, higher will be the resonance energy, and higher will be the activation energy required for the reaction. See here, the resonance energy of this thiophene will be more as compared to that pyrrole and furan. So in this reaction, the activation energy required for the in this question, the activation energy required for the reaction follow the order: third one IV, second one and I. So option C is the right answer. Another question: the major product formed in the following reaction is. See here, I have drawn the mechanism, and this is the conformation, and when I2 attack, this type of product will be formed, and when this sodium bicarbonate act as a deprotonating agent, and it can deprotonate that acidic proton, and again this O minus attack to this oxygen. See here what is happening. After attacking this this product C will be formed. Product C will be formed because here C, the attacking of this O minus always takes place from axial position, but not to that equatorial position, because axial bond, axial that sigma star orbital of this Ci is always in axial, but because of this CO2 minus is at above position, so it can attack to the above only. So the product B is the right answer. And another question: the correct order of boiling point of the compound from I to IV is. See here, for the boiling point, see one is hydrogen bonding. So those compound which undergo hydrogen bonding will be the higher boiling point. So in this four option, in this four example, see ether has no hydrogen, so it won't form hydrogen bonding, so it should have the lowest boiling point, so ether should come at last. So in comparison to third eye and IV, see here the number. See here also you should remember when as the number of carbon atom increases, the boiling point also increases. In comparison of this third one and IV, the number of carbon atom is less in case of this IV, so IV1 is less compared to other two. So IV1 is less as compared to that first one and third one. And see here, in comparison of first one and third one, see here is also here is first one case 4 carbon atom and third one case 4 carbon atom, and see that first one is linear and the third one is branched. See also you have to remember that as the surface area of the molecule increasing, the boiling point of the molecule decreasing. See, so first one will be more boiling point as compared to the third one. See here the complete mechanism.